Hello friends, welcome on this YouTube channel. I'm Professor Saurabh Naik taking a next session under Discipline Town Planning with topic Slum Clearance. In this video, you can learn concept of slum clearance, objectives and methods of slum clearance. So let's start. Slum. Slum is an overcrowded poverty area having a lack of open spaces, presence of unhealthy residential structure. The slum dwellers live under such conditions, harming their health and happiness, and they live there because they cannot afford better housing. A scholar has rightly observed that God made the world, man made the town. In India, the central and state governments have realized that evils of slums on the town life, and hence the slum clearance authorities are being appointed to look after the slum clearance programs. What is a slum clearance? The process of improving the existing conditions of slums is known as slum clearance. Slum clearance is the clearing of old decrepit buildings to allow the land to be put to a better and more productive use. It is also frequently referred as a urban renewal. Large numbers of employment opportunities are available in cities, with its potential to provide employment to a vast multitude. Any city attracts a large number of people. Many of them stay in a slum colonies for the lack of better alternative. Objectives of slum clearance program: to bring down the disparity in the living standard, to prevent the occurrence of epidemics in the town or city, to provide essential amenities of healthy living, to remove the ugly spots or slums from the map of the town or city. Methods of slum clearance. Following are the two methods by which slum clearance program can be effected. The first one is complete renewal method and second improvement method. In first method, complete removal means to completely remove slum area, and second improvement method means to improve the living of standard of slum area people. Slum dwellers stay in a shanty structures in unhygienic environment, not by choice, but by compelling circumstances as they were thrown out of the formal housing sector, the latter being expensive and much beyond their income levels. It is imperative to enhance their standard of living, and for which an authorized dwelling unit is the first step in the right direction. This in turn will bring about a marked improvement in their hygiene and health, as well as raise the level of public hygiene, which was fallen to very low. So this is all about the slum clearance program or slum clearance scheme. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.